what you get. This is what you want. This is what you get. This is what you want. This is what you get.
Some yakkers, I've just got a few yakkers myself. You want to use these little hooks like this, tiny little hooks. I'll show you how just easy it is. I've got the basket. Just how easy it is to catch them. And you throw them out live. I've got 2 rods set up. I've got this light little rod here. Tiny little hook on the end, no sinker. Alright, just going to put this little piece on. Get a bit of light in here happening. There we go. Put that little piece on like that. And there's heaps of yakkers down here. Oh, there was. They'll come back. Unweighted. I should just see them come and pop it. Here they come, they can see it. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Oh. They're coming, they're all around, and pop, there you go. Just keep getting one after the other, okay? And throw that out live on a big rod, big sinker, thick leader, and eventually you'll get a jewie, mate. Keep them alive in this basket. We actually sell these at Hook, Bait and Tackle. They're really cool to use. You just pop your hand in like that, boom, chuck it straight back in the water. You can put it at any depth you want. Squid are a bit quiet, spewing. Just gonna have to do with what we can get. This little shit. Yep, he's on. Thanks, bro. Oh, yeah. Ooh, nice bream, I think. Oh, he's got weight. Hopefully it's a nice bream.
Bream rod or you do? Yeah.
Bream rod. But I put a big piece on. Is it? I'm thinking it might be one of those fucking eel or one of those Port Jackson sharks. Port Jackson shark.
What you got on 8 pound?
12. Yeah. You hungry? Hey?
Yeah, I'll take it. Thank you.
Alright. Ah, bream. That's why I always chuck these out. There's always heaps of bream here.
Throw in this bucket for us.
No worries. That's what's pumping the that's what's pumping the yellowtails, the big yellowtails. They're chomping them. This is going to a gentleman here so he can have a feed. Hey Stevie. Try to get another one, eh? These little circle hawks. Time I chuck it out. This will be a little pinky butt. We don't want little pinkies. We don't want them.
Have you got a snell on your yachts or just a single?
This guy always gets them, mate. Steve-O is a champion. Please be an arrow. Yeah, it's right on 5 o'clock, mate. Right on 5 o'clock. Oh, that's that Kelly. That's that Kelly that was.
Kelly that was playing games. Did you want to play? Did you, mate?
Yeah. You didn't want to play, but now he's done. Beautiful. Put on you, bro. Beautiful.
Need some bait for your kings.
Arrow. Please be an arrow. Yes, it's an arrow.
Put in your bait.
Fucking legend. You're a legend, Steve.
It's a good little jig.
Yeah, man. Thanks, Steve. Sorry. Check out this bait, guys. I'm going to show you a bait. If there's any kingies here, they're going to smash this. That's what you call a bait. Still alive. Let's see if we can get one. Oh. Come on. Come on. I don't think it's a king. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. It's not fighting like a king. Take that, bro. I don't think it's a king, but if it is, it's small.
Got it?
Yeah. Oh. It didn't run out. I knew that boat would work. Walking the dog. Walking the dog. What is it? Oh, it's a king. Little rat. Yeah, good luck, cuz. I think we're gonna have to go fishing. It's a little one, but still, I knew that little squid would get him. Little rat.
You grab him off.
He's going back in the water.
Yeah.
Smash the squid, alright. Look at that. Knew I'd get one. Ooh, sorry, man. Nothing like live bait, guys. When it's live, it does the damage. Oh, got off. I don't know how he got off, but he got off. This kingies are here, they're not going to resist this, mate. If this bait doesn't get smashed, I don't know what will. Float down a bit. Right there. That's where we want it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Little trick of mine I like to do. Whoa. Is put a yakka on. Oh, you, what a little bastard. I knew it'd come off. This one's not coming off. I always do that little shake, and then you just whack it with a sinker straight down. Not all the way down, and then you just put it somewhere like this. Wait for the drag. Let him swim around. That goes off. Didn't get any more kings, guys, but I tried. This little one's gonna go home. Live another day. See you, buddy. Don't get eaten, please. All right, guys, till next time. AKA Mike. AKA Mix, I should say. No, I should say AKA Mike's. I'm getting my name confused. AKA Mike's Fishing. Take care, guys.